What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nolito. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Anyways, for today's video, we're going to be customizing these pair of chucks and turning them into a pair of Travis Scott customs. I do want to apologize because I know I mentioned in my previous video we're going to be doing a pair for a NBA All-Star, which we still are. I'm still waiting on some custom accessories, a box, bunch of other stuff in order for me to finish the video, so stay tuned because that video is coming very soon. Anyways, for today's video, it's going to be a very simple custom. All you'll need is some bleach and some stencils, which will be headed to the studio in a bit. So we're going to go ahead, set the camera down, and get to the bleaching process. So let's get it. So this is exactly what we wanted. I didn't want too much of the black off, but I still wanted that grungy type look. So we're going to go ahead and let these dry, and we're going to head to the studio now to add the stencils.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It up for today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about the custom. I'm actually thinking about doing a limited of 10 pairs of these, so if you guys are interested in purchasing a pair, make sure you guys hit me up through email. All my contact information is in the description down below, or hit me up on Instagram through DM. But anyways, here's the full 360 of the custom. And on the other shoe, of course, we had to add the Cactus Jack Verse logo, or Verse Nike check. But yeah, I'll actually show you guys these as well. So this is actually a pair that I'll be posting very soon. Another Bucks custom. These are very like clean. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe if you guys are new. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. This has been your boy Nolito. I'm out. Peace.